Our multi-brand car workshop, the Car Mall Works, is biggest in the city, spread in 40,000 square feet of space, with a team of trained technicians and high-end equipment.
The Car Mall, since 2003. It all started with a dream.
Let me take you on a workshop tour. There is an automated paint mixing rack at the workshop to match the exact color shade of your car. We have the biggest paint booth from Precision, which can accommodate car of biggest size in the market. The painters are trained and use high-end guns with best quality paints to make your car brand new. There is a separate body shop area for denting. We use the best equipments from Precision. We have a spot welding and a MIG welding machine as well, as per the car OEM standard. There is a different washing area to make your car clean from all the dirt. We have 4 post-precision lifts which can lift up to 4,000 kgs of weight. There is an empty office in case you want to speak to the owner for any of your unresolved grievances. There is a reception area to receive you and a separate back office to open your job cards and raise invoices. Once your car is taken in for a service, there is a customer lounge where you can sit, relax and wait for your car to get ready. Our team uses original spare parts approved by the OEM. We are approved spare part vendors for companies like Maruti, Hyundai and BMW. There is a separate unit to manage the spare part inventory. The Car Mall Works has all facilities under one roof. Wheel alignment, wheel balancing, because we believe that we should have a life that is well balanced. We have equipments to not just handle a Maruti but also to scan your high-end cars like Mercedes-Benz, Audis, etc., for which our master technician is given a special training. The workshop also has AC gas recharging mechanism where AC gas can be recharged and restored. So the workshop is a one-stop solution for any and all kind of car repairs. And the Car Mall is a one-stop shop, your go-to place whenever you have any query related to your car.
That was the Car Mall for you, आपका अपना showroom, the Car Mall, and we are here. It's been 20 years, beautiful journey जो हम लोग ने साथ में गुजारी है. We have a base of more than 20,000 customers and we deliver all the services all under one roof, be it car loans, car insurances, used cars, new cars. So आपको कोई भी कार लेनी हो, Indian car, high-end car, कोई कार बेचनी हो, we buy cars in just 30 minutes and outright upfront payment. And it's a mark of trust, a mark of loyalty. The Car Mall, a solid seal of guarantee. So let's do business together and visit us on www.thecarmall.in and follow us on Instagram handle @thecarmall. Thank you.